Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling an Amazon Prime subscription. This is how you cancel both the free trial of Prime and cancel the normal membership. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to Amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your account if you are not already. When you're signed in, click the Prime button from the top menu on the right. Now that page has loaded, select Manage My Membership from the top menu bar. Click on where it says Update, Cancel and More, and then choose End Membership. Scroll down and select Cancel My Benefits. On the next page, scroll down again and click Continue to Cancel. Scroll down one more time and select End Now. Amazon Prime has now been cancelled. If you are due a refund, you will receive it within a few days. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.